this moly and stay hooked. Largy. Good morning, guys. Welcome to Seymour Lake. Not one of my favorite lakes whatsoever. I really don't like fishing this lake. The last few times I've been here, I've been skunked. The fact that I caught my first fish right now, 20 minutes into the tournament, it's pretty good. That makes it up for all the other times that I've been skunked. But this big largie took my Ned rig. He swallowed it. Need pliers for this one. It's a decent starter, guys. Like a 17-incher maybe. Let's get a picture. I'm happy with that picture. There we go, guys. First fish, 17 3/4. This is a good start. I don't have my hopes up, but I'm happy this happened right now. Alright, let's keep fishing. I always catch a fish here. Oh yeah. But he's not that big. It's a 12, but something. Something with this one. Actually, I don't know if he's gonna make 12. He's tiny. So this guy just hit 12 inches. So I got him submitted. I know it's a little one, but there's gotta be another one here. Deep spot here. We're on fish number 3. That sucks. I just lost him off the board. I haven't lost a fish off the board in years. Can't believe that just happened. There's a fish. A little one. It's a little one. I need this right now. Ooh, in the net. He jumped and I caught him. Yes! Woo! Oh, my rod all tip wrapped. Alright. So you guys saw how I lost the last one off the board. Let's not lose this one. Fish number 3 is on the board, guys. This guy gave me a hard time to measure, but we got him. It's been a rough one. It's been a rough one. Here we go. That's, oh, it came off. You got it again. He's like a 14. I need it. Yes. Here we go. Rock pile's paying off. Rock pile's paying off. 2.5, guys. I get that small limit. Gotta make every inch count. On a lake like this one,